Hello there, my name is Abhijit and today I am gonna show you how to power on your laptop without using power button. As you can see here, my power button is broken. I mean this strip inside it disconnected, but this look perfectly fine, but look, it doesn't work. So what you have to do is, it's very simple. Just first open the keyboard. To open the keyboard, you will find this four small buttons. Okay, this is one above the escape, second, third, so here I removed the top keyboard. Now look, this strip that connects the power button to the motherboard is broken. So because of my fault it is broken, but if your laptop fall down from that may be your case. But here, so here you can see, let me focus. There are four small shoulders. So what you're gonna do is take this flathead screwdriver and rub in the last two. Okay, let me show you. This is still off. You can see power button still doesn't work. So okay, it's very simple. Now when it start, you have to uh, put it on hibernate mode, so it doesn't go out of battery.